In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage tasks in Monday.com step by step so you can stay organized, assign work clearly, and keep your entire team on track. Whether you're managing a small team or a large project, mastering task management inside Monday.com will completely change how efficiently you work. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll walk you through creating tasks, assigning ownership, updating statuses, and setting due dates properly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's jump in. The first step to managing tasks in Monday.com is creating a task, which is called an item inside the platform. Start by opening any board where you want to manage your work. Boards are where all your tasks live, so choose the relevant project or workflow board. Once you're inside the board, scroll to the bottom of any group. Groups help you categorize tasks, for example by phase, department, or priority level. At the bottom of the group, click the plus add button. This instantly creates a new row. Now simply type the name of your task. Be clear and specific here so your team understands exactly what needs to be done. Once you've typed the task name, press enter on your keyboard. That's it. You've just created a new item, which is your task. This is the foundation of task management in Monday.com. Next, let's assign the task to a team member so there's clear ownership. Inside your board, locate the People column. This is the column that allows you to assign responsibility. If you don't see it, you can always add it, but most task boards include it by default. Click inside the cell of the task you just created under the People column. A list of your team members will appear. Simply select the person responsible for completing that task. Once selected, their profile icon will appear in the cell. Assigning tasks is extremely important because it creates accountability and automatically notifies the assigned person. This way, no task is floating around unowned, and everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. Now let's set the task status so you can track progress. Move to the Status column in your board. Click inside the status cell for your task. You'll see different labels, such as To Do, Working on it, Stuck, or Done. Choose the label that reflects the current state of the task. For a new task, you'll usually select To Do. As work begins, you can update it to Working on it. If there's a blocker, mark it as Stuck so the team can quickly identify issues. And once the task is complete, switch it to Done. One of the best things about Monday.com is that you can customize these labels to match your workflow. You can rename them, change their colors, or add new ones to reflect your exact process. Keeping statuses updated gives you a real-time overview of your entire project. Finally, let's add due dates to make sure deadlines are clear. Find the Date column in your board. Click inside the Date cell for your task. A calendar will pop up. Simply select the appropriate due date. This ensures everyone knows when the task needs to be completed. If you want even better deadline tracking, you can enable Deadline mode. This highlights overdue tasks and makes them more visible, so nothing slips through the cracks. Adding due dates combined with status tracking is what really makes Monday.com powerful for project management. So to quickly recap, create a task by clicking plus add, assign it using the People column, update its progress with the Status column, and set a clear deadline using the Date column. When you consistently use these four elements together, you'll have a clean, organized, and fully trackable workflow inside Monday.com. That's how you manage tasks in Monday.com in a simple and effective way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Monday.com guides and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.